Yo AutoAce fam! Today we're comparing two of the most popular budget commuters in the Philippines. The Honda Click 125i and the Yamaha Mio i125. As we step into 2026, which one gives you better performance, value, and everyday reliability? Let's break it down. Let's go! Honda Click 125i, 81,900 pesos. The Click 125i continues to offer one of the best value for money packages in Honda's scooter lineup. Yamaha Mio i125, 77,900 pesos. The Mio i125 is slightly cheaper, staying true to Yamaha's mission on offering an affordable, lightweight daily commuter. From a 2026 perspective, both remain among the most budget-friendly scooters in Philippines. Honda Click 125i, 125cc liquid-cooled fuel-injected ESP engine. Power around 8.2 HP, known for excellent fuel efficiency, up to 50 to 55 kilometers per liter in real use. Silent and smooth with Honda's idling stop system. Yamaha Mio i125, 125cc air-cooled blue-core FI engine. Power 9.4 HP, higher than Click. Real-world fuel consumption around 45 to 50 kilometers per liter. More responsive acceleration due to lighter body. Click, efficiency and refinement. For Mio i, quicker acceleration and lighter feel. Click 125i. Weight 112 kilograms. Smooth suspension with a more planted, stable feel. Good for longer rides or rougher Manila roads. Larger body makes it feel more premium but heavier to maneuver. Mio i125. Weight 94 kilograms. Very easy to handle, especially for smaller riders. Perfect for daily stop and go traffic. Lighter body, easier parking, tight turns, lane filtering. Handling verdict, Click, stability and comfort. For Mio, agility and city maneuverability. Honda Click 125i, LED headlight, digital instrument panel, large under-seat storage around 18 liters, idling stop system, sporty, modern design, looks more premium for the price. Yamaha Mio i125, halogen headlight, small analog digital meter, under-seat storage is smaller, simple and basic, fewer features but durable and easy to maintain. Feature verdict, Click wins with modern features and tech. Mio is a simpler, no-frills commuter. Click 125i, around 50 to 55 kilometers per liter, better for long commutes. For Mio i125, 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, still excellent. Click still has a slight edge in a real-world economy, especially with idling stop. Honda Click 125i. Pros: best features for the price, fuel-efficient and refined engine, better storage and full digital panel, modern, sporty design. Click cons. Heavier than Mio, higher SRP. Yamaha Mio i125 pros. Cheaper and very light, strong acceleration for a 125cc, proven blue core durability, great for beginners, shorter riders, and pure city use. Mio cons. Older design, fewer features, smaller storage. Verdict: which is the best budget commuter in 2026? If you want features, tech, and long-term fuel savings, the Honda Click 125i still gives you the best value overall. But if you want something lighter, cheaper, and easier to handle for daily traffic, the Yamaha Mio i125 is still an excellent choice. For most riders in 2026, the Click 125i is the better all-around commuter, but the Mio i125 remains unbeatable for simplicity and agility. AutoAce fam, if you had 80 to 90,000 pesos today, which one would you buy? The Click 125i or Mio i125? Drop your pick in the comments. If this comparison helped, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more scooter battles. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.